So I'm going to show you how to make a duotone versus a monotone or a tritone. I'm going to pick my trusty old boat picture again. And I am going to show you where the color picker is, which is right here where my cursor is. Double click, open it up, choose a color, choose this purple blue. You can see that it's in there right now, that purple blue. I only work with the front color here. I don't usually set background color. I usually don't need it that way. So that's how I can change color. However, if you wanted to change the entire photo into two certain colors, let's call it that would be a duotone. You would first have to go to mode. So go to image, mode, and you would have to first change it to grayscale. And you can hit discard. And look at that. That's pretty. That's a grayscale picture. Now that it's grayscale, you are now allowed to change it to a monotone, a tritone. So let me go and find that here. So back to image and mode, you now have duotone. And I'm going to click on that. And now I can choose my colors. Right now it's set to monotone, which is 1, black. So I have to change that to duotone to pick 2. So I can pick, this one's black and white. So if I want to change it to, I don't know, let's try that purple blue one I picked earlier. Look at that. Hit OK. And then I could pick my second color. Right now it's white, which has actually got pretty good for contrast. But just to show you what another color would look like, what would look good with that? I don't know. Just pick a yellow and hit OK. This to the side so you can see it. So that's a duotone. So all the colors are half blue and half, if you want to call that a yellow. Let me show you what it would look like as tritone. That's 3. Now I get to pick a third one. Oh, which one to pick? Oh, this light blue. Okay. Now there's 3 colors. Now it's divided up into 3. You can go to 4, quadtone. Let's try it. What color should we pick? Right? Wow. So look at that. So hit OK, and there you go. So that's how you can make this color exactly 4 choices here. Monotone, duotone, tritone, quadtone. Hit OK when you're done. I'm going to hit cancel to this because it changed it all to white. But you can see what I'm talking about there. Okay, there you go. Bye-bye.